Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okwise bendera ya National Resistance Movement omukusherera akaruhuko bwa President akenshuro ya kana yavuga n'abahagizi be ari Kamwenge Primary School omu district ya Pallisa. Abebembezi bamugira ngo mbaro bw'abantu batine mirimo na mnonge mnyeto ni mwingi kandi nangwa tibine bukugunwa kumushabo kuombekera amashomero gebye mukono akombeka n'amakorero kwenda kumara hwibura mirimo.
When we go to production excellency, micro irrigation activities to improve on production have been undertaken in Pallisa and other projects as follows. 5 demonstration sites were funded in the sub-counties of Opateta, Pallisa Town Council, Kamwenge Town Council, Kamwenge Town Council and Olok Town Council.
President Museveni yagira ngo emyaka ehwira abantu ba Pallisa bakateganisibwa entaro ngo bitu government ya NRM kareto businjo mu cyanga eki ni hanga lyona bari kunyweze byo kwerinda.
Pallisa district originally used not to be what it is, especially with the road that is coming from Tirinyi, Pallisa, Kumi. Now we have the best road in eastern Uganda.
Pallisa was being attacked by cattle rustlers.
Ebe asuro kitai Pallisa etungangula lose akoko etaitu. Pallisa yalerumbiriwe abantu abo abayizire okuiba ente.
And also was a battleground with Lakwena.
Araibo boneda ne atubena jauneji elo Lakwena. Tete chitundu kino kya Pallisa kyabairemu olutalo lwa Lakwena.
We had a big battle with Lakwena at a place called Kait. Where is Kait?
Poto jauno sejielo agogongonoi atutubeta nenyata ikaiti. Aibeja ikaiti ane. Twabaye no lutalo neneino no Lakwena omukifo kibaita ekaiti.
Oguhona yagamba byentambiro mu district ya Pallisa ebyabire biruku bibito bwataka bitungura.
Where we passed on the road, there is a very good tarmac road.
Eje tubitire enzeje tubitire babaire kolansi ensaino nena titoruni are roto lo ajo kono lo aja ekola soma.
But you ask them whether they sleep on the tarmac road at night.
Ingista espapabe ijoto enenetesi okola singon kware mulambalo mukolansi oba munzireyo ensa obwire.
Ahabyo Obwegyese President Museveni yajango bwati bine kureka ngo burugombora yatungisha muri ya secondary ya government kandi gona magombora gataka tungira amashomerago nigija gatunga.
Let me end by telling you my concern about school charges in the schools.
Akoro bonga limokinesi yani ngosina tsinyo ane ititachere itunga isiriginyo to musomero.
Since 1996 I've been against school charges in schools.
Ageuno karungone lukumdedo pe akata kanyango na kaisa kanyanga anukanyape.
But some people insist and bring back charges.
Apota lema si aitata chunga sirigino somero konyichi atunga poti keta kinosi ai nyakunu aitata chana atunga.
That's why I decided not to quarrel, instead to show that one can teach these children without them paying money.
Nagira ngo buri district eshemero kwe nirwaro rhango kandi muri Pallisa magomboro 18 gina marwaro gaharengo rwa health center ya kashatu kandi mukaga gataka tungire nago ngaza kutunga mu kirere kwija no kurwana sobworo.
3 other contributions, but I don't have enough time to go into them here. So the 4 words:
akiro awon,
peace,
aipuch,
development,
apol,
wealth,
abar
and jobs.
President Museveni yenchakare naza kushirira karuro mu district ya Budaka na Kibuku. Ndi Anita Tukunda.